Well, here's a nighttime shot. It's hard to really see it because I have a very bright LED light, street light in our driveway. Those are mainly just for the few times a year I end up on the highway. And you know how people are nowadays. But I get a good side shot. That fuel tank's kind of in the way, but it's more than what was there before. Now I wired the emergency lights into the old dome light for inside the box that I used to have. Yeah, oh, big stretch. But that's how she is in the night. Like I said, that light's pretty damn bright. Kind of takes away from the effect, but it is what it is. I may do a rig tour next weekend. Actually open the doors, let everything show what's going on. But thanks for watching.